Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best 6-in-1 welding machine available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best 6-in-1 welding machine, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. Decapower Fusion Multifunction Semi-Automatic. The Fusion series is Decapower's latest multifunctional product. It's an inverter microprocessor-controlled portable welding machine. It integrates multiple welding processes such as GMOFCA, SMAW and GTAW, cut, preset parameters and multiple adjustable parameters to adapt to welding of various materials and sizes. With the screen and quick synergy regulation of welding parameters and provide multiple adjustable subfunctions, it brings you a unique welding experience. The large-sized screen and user-friendly interface make the Fusion easy to operate, even for beginners. HTP MIG welder, cheapest MIG welder, multifunctional welding capabilities, seamlessly switch between MIG, MAG, MMA, HFTIG, and cut with the Decapower Fusion, a versatile 6-in-1 welding machine. The Fusion's high-efficiency cooling system maintains stable performance over prolonged use. With PMCT 205, the Fusion supports up to 16 mm cutting, adding to its multi-purpose capabilities. Equipped with a 4-roller and double-driven wire feeding system, the Fusion ensures stable and efficient wire feeding. The large-sized screen displays all the details very easily and is very user-friendly, combined with scientific button layout to achieve zero-level operation logic. The hardware configuration is strong, equipped 4-roller and double-driven wire feeding mechanism, more powerful and stable wire feeding capability and high-efficiency cooling system to ensure that the equipment can operate stably and reliably for a long time. Multiple functions are integrated, including Synergy MIG, Manual MIG, Single Pulse MIG, HFTIG, MMA stick welding, PMCT 205 even cutting function, supporting up to 16 mm quality cutting. The rich features are very suitable for home use. Number 2. HITBOX MIG 250 6-in-1 aluminum welding machine. The HITBOX MIG 250 is a versatile, multi-process welding machine designed for both professional and DIY use. This 6-in-1 inverter welder offers a range of welding capabilities, making it suitable for various applications and materials. Supports MMA, stick, arc, MIG gas, MIG gasless, lift TIG, and aluminum welding processes. Specially designed for welding aluminum, expanding its versatility. Provides stable arc performance and efficient power usage. Compatible with both 1 kg and 5 kg flux cord wire spools. Offers flexibility for different welding environments and requirements. Allows for precise TIG welding starts without high-frequency interference. Lightweight and portable for easy transportation and use in various locations. For accurate setting and monitoring of welding parameters. Ensures safety and longevity of the machine. This all-in-one welding solution is ideal for automotive repair, metal fabrication, construction, and home DIY projects. Its versatility and portability make it an excellent choice for welders who need to work with different materials and in various settings. Number 3. HITBOX MIG Welding Machine MIG 250 6-in-1. The HITBOX MIG 250 is a versatile and advanced 6-in-1 welding machine designed for both professional welders and DIY enthusiasts. Operating on 220V, this multi-process welder offers a wide range of welding capabilities to tackle various projects and materials. 6-in-1 functionality, supports MIG gas, MIG gasless, arc, stick, lift TIG, and CO2 welding processes. Features a clear, easy-to-read digital display for precise control and monitoring of welding parameters. Provides ample power for most welding tasks while being suitable for standard power outlets. Offers flexibility to work with or without shielding gas, adapting to different welding environments and materials. Allows for clean TIG welding starts without high-frequency interference. Provides options for both short and long welding operations, enhancing user comfort and control. Suitable for CO2 shielded welding, expanding its range of applications. Ensures stable arc performance and efficient power usage. Lightweight and portable for easy transportation between job sites. Built-in safety feature to protect the machine from damage due to overheating. Capable of welding steel, stainless steel, and other metals. This HITBOX MIG 250 welder is an excellent choice for a wide range of applications, including automotive repair, metal fabrication, construction, and DIY projects. Its versatility, digital control, and multiple process capabilities make it a valuable tool for welders who need to handle diverse welding tasks efficiently and effectively. Number 4. Pulse MIG 200 220V Double Pulse 6-in-1. The Pulse MIG 200 is a versatile and advanced 6-in-1 welding machine designed for both professional welders and serious DIY enthusiasts. This multifunction welder operates on 220V and features double pulse technology, making it ideal for a wide range of welding applications, particularly for aluminum and steel. 6-in-1 functionality supports MIG, TIG, stick, MMA, double pulse MIG, aluminum MIG, and flux cord welding processes. Provides superior control over heat input, resulting in cleaner welds, especially on thin materials and aluminum. Offers ample power for most welding tasks while being suitable for standard power outlets. Specially designed for welding aluminum, expanding its versatility. Excellent performance on various steel types, including carbon steel. Automatically adjusts parameters for optimal welding performance. Features an easy-to-read digital display for precise control and monitoring of welding parameters. Allows for fine-tuning of the arc characteristics for different welding positions and joint types. Lightweight construction for easy transportation between job sites. This Pulse MIG 200 welder is an excellent choice for a wide range of applications, including automotive work, metal fabrication, construction, and advanced DIY projects. Its double pulse technology and multifunction capabilities make it particularly suitable for users who frequently work with both aluminum and steel, requiring high-quality welds on various material thicknesses. Number 5. 4 PMCT 205 6-in-1 welding machine. The PMCT 205 is a highly versatile and advanced welding and cutting machine that combines multiple functions into one compact unit. This 6-in-1 multi-process welder is designed for both professional welders and serious DIY enthusiasts who require a wide range of welding and cutting capabilities in a single machine. Allows for precise cutting of conductive metals. Suitable for cutting steel, stainless steel, aluminum, copper, and more. Switches easily between MIG, TIG, and stick welding processes. Adaptable to various welding needs and materials. Provides stable arc and smooth welding performance. Improves energy efficiency and reduces weight. Automatically adjusts welding parameters for optimal performance. Simplifies operation for less experienced users. Clear, easy-to-read interface. Allows precise control and monitoring of welding and cutting parameter. Fine-tune welding current, voltage, and other settings. Customize performance for different materials and thicknesses. The PMCT 205 6-in-1 multi-welder plasma cutter MMA TIG MIG welding machine is an excellent choice for users who need a versatile, all-in-one solution for welding and cutting tasks. Its ability to perform multiple processes, including plasma cutting, makes it a valuable tool for workshops, small fabrication shops, and serious hobbyists who work with a variety of metals and require both welding and cutting capabilities.